Hey, robotics community! This time we want to use the SIMATIC Robot Integrator to control not just one, but several robots from different manufacturers simultaneously. To begin with, I'll start a path which I've already taught to the KUKA here on my left. To do that, I select the KUKA on my interface, select the Move Path function, the path I've already taught it, and then I just press play. I'll now repeat the whole process for the Denso, and start the Denso. Once again, I select Move Path, then the path itself, and press play. Now I'll start a path on the Yaskawa, which is alongside the others. So I select Yaskawa on my interface, select the Move Path function for the path I want, and again press play. And of course, I then do the same thing again for our Staubli. I select the Staubli, once again select the Move Path function, and press play. To stop everything at the same time, I just press the emergency stop button. And that's it. Today we've learned how to control robots at the same time from several different manufacturers using a single panel and a single interface.